your questions. How to set them up? What is Lucas dangling off the roof? Why does his rig glow in the dark? Let's find out! I'm Lucas from Antminer, and if you are running hydro miners or thinking about it, you need a proper cooling system like this one. This 12 kilowatt beast can cool 1 or 2 hydro miners, no problem. Let's crack it open and see what we are working with. You see that cable behind the pile of ASICs? And it goes over here and ends up over there. It's heavy 3-phase cable that we used to use on mining farm, and then it was in previous office. This is what we need. Now I need to find a way how to cut down this thing. Okay. It's heavy. So this is a cable that we are going to use. Okay, let's go. So, first thing, this thing is super heavy, and let's crank it open and find out what's inside. If you're running sort of huge server rack, or if you are running just 1 or 2 hydro mining systems, you should go look for one of these. I recognize these fans. These are same fans that you can find on ASICs. This thing is actually heavy, like not heavy, it's big. It's lighter than a hydro ASIC, but heavy. Now, what's inside? You have 4 tubes. It's a DN10. You can find it in your hobby mart or somewhere. Same fittings for aquariums. These are not soft, but sort of harder. They are on harder side. Over here, power cable. This is basically same like one you can get on a computer. Over here, our star of the show. This is expansion unit. This unit is not fully assembled. I will need to open it, connect ventilators, connect this bracket on the side over here, so we can mount this thing and fill it with water. So what you get, this is like a bracket to mount on this valve. This little tube belongs right over here. We will place it later. Over here, power distribution board, or should be for fans. This is your control unit for your chilling radiator. If you are ordering this unit into America, you need to tell us up front, basically your location. We need to know your power. If you connect this one on 110 volts and it will be set on 220 volts, it will not work, and vice versa, it will just burn by bright fire. Let's mount this thing. Let's put in the buttons. That's about it. Yeah, we are connecting just one miner, and this beauty is able to connect directly 2 miners at once. You see, there is like a 12 kilowatt capacity on this chiller under optimal condition. So we will get inside, remove this foam and connect all components. Right over here you can find a power switch. This is output from the cooling system. Over here we are connecting the inlet, the hot water, and we are connecting it in a way exactly like this. Our buttons are working properly. We have a connected fans, we have a connected all hoses and the expansion tank. You can unscrew this part, and this is just to remove air from circuit. We are going to connect the miner and start mining. This is water pump, which is pulling the water right over here. So this is outlet from cooling system, which is inlet on the machine. Let's connect it. Let's connect the second one. Now we need to connect a cooling unit. We still don't have a water inside. Water first, remember, water first. And the thing with this style water, it's not actually conductive. To be more precise, it should not be conductive. Over here in the miner, you can see, like over here, this pipe, it goes in, then it goes straight through these 3, which goes through the miner, then it goes through the power source and back to the cooling unit. I will put some nice course our green coolant thing, and I hope we will show some color so how the water is moving. It's a green. We have our cooling loop mostly working. I think it's time to start some mining. I'm starting the miner now. I used BTC Tools to scan local network. Only thing you have to do, you have to select Bitcoin and connect your mining hardware. It will suggest you the pool. The closest one, it's a EU EMCD right now, because I am in Europe. You have to put your wallet or your registration. Some pools requires to have some passport or something. Most of the time it doesn't matter. This beauty should start mining on my account. Hash rate, green. Network, green. Temperature, green. All green. We are ready to go. We have still 0 hash rate, but it takes time. It takes like 10 to 15 minutes till the miner starts mining actually on pool. Okay. We have a hash rate, we are mining right now, and yeah, we are pulling that about 5.5 kilowatt of electricity from the grid. This video is brought to you by Antminer, the greatest hosting in the world. If you want cooling equipment like this, let us handle everything. Smash like, subscribe, drop question in the comments. I am Lucas from Antminer. Keep it cool.